आ जाओ इधर हल्के हल्के।
चलो ना ए
सर सर आप नहीं तो आप पीछे आती हो। रिक्शा पड़ेगा अन्य फ्लैट सर एक मिनट सर सर चलिए सर रिक्शा पड़ेगा आती है बाकी वही सब थोड़ा साइड दे दो थोड़ा अंदर ही साइड दे दो ट्रैफिक हो रहा है आ जाइए चलो 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 अंदर बंद दो गेट बंद दो चलिए अंदर जाइए अंदर सब ऑटो अंदर ही आएगा ना चलो पीछे 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 बस बस हल्का सा पीछे हल्का सा पीछे
अनीशा बैग के पास लेके चलो बेटा आ जाइए मानिए आप जाने दो बेटा अरे यार ये मोबाइल किसका है यार बहुत फटे आ रहे हैं बहुत फटे प्लीज पीछे जाइए आशा से शॉट के अपना जल्दी जा लिटिल काम टेक द शॉट
मैडम मैडम आप आइए आइए मैम आप वेलकम कीजिए सर थोड़ा सा
चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट चलो अंदर चलिए कम ऑन लेट्स गो देखिए आप मानिया के It's so nice. We love you, Mania. We love you. चलो we just did a short and Manya, when you come you wave, okay, so go behind, एक step up पीछे चले जाओ, be careful, आराम से, okay, at the count of 3 walk in, okay, 1, all cameras rolling, right, 2, 3, walk, wave, nice, चलो, come.
आगे जाएगा तो फिर कैसा
Okay, guys, when she's gonna walk in, there's gonna be people out there in the college, okay? That chatter we need. एक सेकंड.
ओके
और आप थोड़ा सा सेंटर में आओ।
परफेक्ट. चलिए, लेट्स गो.
ऊपर से ले लो।
थैंक यू.
ब्रेक ब्लॉक हो रहा
तो मेरा भी तो फ्री है।
चलिए, आराम से, कोई नहीं, सबको मिलेगा. अच्छी तरह देखिए आप. देखिए, you can push it. देखो, Sharma, I think push inside.
Go inside and be ready with your frame.
Go inside, get your frames ready. Center. Guys, you are ready? Cue me. जाके देखता. Cue. चलिए.
Slower, 5, 4, 3, and here we go.
Yeah. 1 second, Manya, 1 second.
Okay, let's do it again. So 10, 9, 8,
चलो.
7,
Let's go.
6,
हाँ, there you go.
5, 4, 3. एक सेकेंड वापस से. Guys, she is here, but वहाँ पे ना बहुत सारी मीडिया है, so she has those amazing shots, and she is the student of the college, and here she comes on the count of 3. So here we go. People make some noise for Manya Singh. Here she is on upload, and here we go once again. So 3, 2, 1, and here we have Miss Manya Singh, the winner of Miss India, winner of 20. आपके अपने ही कॉलेज ठाकुर कॉलेज ऑफ साइंस एंड कॉमर्स. Come on, people, make some noise. 3 cheers for Manya Singh. मान्या और मान्या के साथ हमारे साथ मान्या के पेरेंट्स भी हैं, ओम प्रकाश सिंह जी. एंड लोगों ने कहा ना, समाज ने कहा ना, रिश्तेदारों ने कहा ना, लेकिन मान्या ने कहा हाँ और इतिहास बन गया. परेशानियां थी, मुश्किलें थी, तकलीफें थी, उलझनें थी. उसने कहा लेकिन किसी ने भी नहीं माना. उसने कहा लेकिन किसी ने भी नहीं. So I request Manya Singh along with her parents and all our dignitaries to take place on the dais. And here we go ahead with our program. College, Thakur College of Science and Commerce.
Hi everybody, there is just one thing that I wanted to point out, given the fact that she is crowned and she's not wearing a mask. Let's not forget we are in the middle of a pandemic. I know a lot of you are not wearing masks.
से स्वागत करता हूं. I request all the dignitaries to take their place. I request Thakur Shri Jitendra Singh Ji, Thakur Manoj Singh Ji, Thakur Suraj Singh Ji, along with our principal madam, Dr. Mrs. Shaitali Chakrabarti. उनके लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Our management representatives, Thakur Manoj Singh Ji, Thakur Suraj Singh Ji, एक बार जोरदार तालियां दोस्तों फिर से. एक बार सारे टीचर्स के लिए जोरदार तालियां. All the placards up in the air, come on, yes. Wow, very nice, thank you.
A very warm welcome to our pride, our glory, and a beautiful girl with soaring dreams, Miss Manya Singh. Parents, Mrs. Manorama Singh and Mr. Om Prakash Singh. Management Trustee Shri Jitendra Singh Ji. Management Representative Shri Manoj Singh Ji and Shri Suraj Singh Ji. Our Principal Dr. C.T. Chakrabarti, the media representatives, and a very warm welcome to all the faculty members and students. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. This has been proved by Manya. In a small town, Hata in UP, a girl who dared to dream, a girl who challenged the ideology of social class strata, a girl who challenged the patriarchal society where she was brought up. She worked hard, bent all the odds and the rules, and made it to this glorious field. Guys, she deserves a huge clap for her desires and passions that has made her realize her dream. Congratulations, Ms. Manya Singh, from all of us at the College of Science and Commerce. To begin with, I would like to invite upon our Principal Dr. Chaitali Chakrabarti for a formal welcome address.
दोस्तों हमारी प्रिंसिपल मैडम डॉक्टर मिसेस शैताली चक्रवर्ती के लिए जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. ये ठाकुर कॉलेज का जोश है.
Namaskar, good morning to all. I am extremely elated today because I am getting the happiness once again. It was once in 2018 when Nehal Chudasama made me proud, and today it is Manya Singh. Thank you very much, Manya, for being a part of this college and making us proud. This is a moment of great pride that our college is greeting a student who has brought glory not only to us at college but also to the state and the entire region. Manya, I on behalf of the management and staff members heartily welcome you to your alma mater. I welcome all the people on the dais for today's wonderful session. और मुझे लगता है मान्या को जो आज इस दिन हम ऑनर कर रहे हैं, इससे बड़ा दिन साल में नहीं हो सकता है. It is indeed a great achievement for our college to have one among us being crowned as Miss India runner-up. Our college has made accomplishment of cricketers, football players, entrepreneurs, television actors, and many industrialists to boast as the alumni. Today, you have added one more feather of glory to our cap. Thakur College seems to have a strong association with beauty parents. That feeling that our girls have been given the needed platform to experiment and dream their passion. Manya, we know that your journey from being a simple proved it one more time that it is passion and commitment to efforts that drives you to success. College, I wish to highlight that she's a humble fighter with her zeal, focus and commitment has gone on to clinch the crown which now sits proud on her pretty face. I know you are pretty, you all are prepared for the great and exciting changes that have and will come to your life. You surely have all media attention, movie stars surrounding you, and a lot of friends building contacts with you. But I'm sure that you will always stay grounded, committed, dedicated, and fixed of purpose, and world will be an oyster. Where you want to be a voice of women belonging to lower social strata and fight gender discrimination in the society. You wish to vocalize their dreams and give them a chance to choose their lives. We at Thakur College stand with you on this cause, and I will not forget to congratulate their parents. उनके मम्मी पापा का जो एफर्ट है वो सबसे बड़ी एफर्ट है, और मुझे तो उसमें से मैं थोड़ी सी पार्शियलिटी करूंगी, मम्मी का एफर्ट और ज्यादा दिखता है, उनके चेहरे में जो थकावट है और उसके बाद जो सुकून दिख रहा है कि she has achieved her daughter's dream. Let me tell you children one thing. Manya did not get this title in one day. She has strolled her life for last 6 to 7 years. And remember children, I appreciate your connection with us, and as an alumnus, you have credited us with your crowning success. We wish you all the best for your new set of challenges, and will always stand by you to win many more titles to your fame. Wishing you a very bright and beautiful career, and applaud your desire to bring a social change in the lives of women. Dare to dream. Passion and persistence are within us. Live your desire every day. Each moment, fantasy will come true. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your very inspirational words. Manya, even I would like to say something.
Was a star in making. Today, with this achievement, it solidifies that the talent has no boundaries and it can be nurtured with all the hardships. Her aspirations and humble beginnings have kept her grounded and never lose focus from her goal. A go-getter who never compromised on her
थी, माँ बाप की दुआएं हमेशा उसके साथ चलती थी। तो मैं आग्रह करूंगा हमारे ट्रस्टी ठाकुर श्री जितेंद्र सिंह जी से कि वे मान्या की मां श्रीमती मनोरमा सिंह को सम्मानित करें हम सब की ओर से, और इस खुशनसीब मां के लिए, इस प्राउड मम्मी के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए।